The hell is this?
It's a magic box.
It's a magic box?
The mystery box.
Do you sit inside of it and just use your imagination?
So the plan is we're both gonna sit in this box.
It's a big box.
It's a big box.
It's not just a boulder.
It's a box. A big old box filled with goodies in it. Donating all my old jerseys.
Oh, that's nice.
Practice jerseys, like camp jerseys. I got like a net guard. I got like one of these net guards for the goalies. I'm just gonna leave it here. If Brian doesn't want it, I'm just gonna write free jerseys and just put it on the box and just leave it at the door.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's expensive.
Giving back to the hockey community.
Yeah, do you think he'll take it?
I mean, he'll probably put it in that back closet.
I want him to give it to like players and goalies. It's all goalie jerseys. Just a bunch of old jerseys that I've collected over the years in my career.
You got Santa Jet.
Yeah, with a Kook hat.
Santa Jet came.
What did you bring?
You cleaning the floor?
No, I don't clean anything. What'd you bring me?
You think you can make use of it?
Yeah, put it on that little light right there. Put it on the window.
Yeah, it's all goalie jerseys. I don't know if anybody wants them. What are they called? Goalie jerseys.
He's not a goalie. Tonight he's a player.
I know. Brian's the man, dude.
So Rusty's coming over right now. Rusty's the guy who runs our team. And Jet and I are actually going to switch tonight. So Jet is actually going to skate out and play player. And I'm going to take his spot at goalie tonight. And Rusty always gets nervous, but we've never lost when it happens.
You got a 30 of Rolling Rock? Jesus Christ. Okay, I will.
Nice.
Oh, Jesus.
I don't know if you should be drinking in this, man. That's not. I have kids that watch this. I'm just playing, man. It's called. It's beer league.
Sprite.
It's called Sprite. Beer league. Like our team hates it when we switch out because I'm not very good at player. I really don't care what they think. You're not bad. Actually, Brandon's not bad at playing.
I liked blocking shots.
Yeah, he's not bad at playing goalie. I'm okay as a player. I should be playing like D2 or D3. I can keep up in D1. I play D.
I just expected your skating to be a little bit better.
Yeah, because I'm a goalie. I played goalie for 13 years. Like I can't skate that fast. So my acceleration is as fast as a goalie.
Which isn't very fast.
But like if you're playing a defenseman, all you have to worry about is accelerating from blue line to blue line. So it's not that far.
I actually
we thought it'd be fun just because we've been winning games like 14-2, 14-3. They're not that entertaining. The teams we've been playing aren't very good.
I don't think I've ever lost playing goalie with you guys.
The issue is if we score 10 goals, you'll probably let in 8. So like that's where it gets fishy. Yeah, we thought it'd be fun to switch out. It's not like we haven't done it before. We've done it before, but it's just been a minute since we've done it. So tonight's the night. We're gonna do it. We're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna put the GoPro on my helmet. I'm gonna put one GoPro in the net. I don't know. Hopefully get some good content. Okay, cool.
Let's see what I can do.
So we'll fast forward to us on the ice.
A few moments later.
Look at this dumpster just spill his beer all over my gear. Oh my god, thank you.
Good man, Keon.
I know. I haven't sharpened them in 2 years.
Your skates are ridiculously dull.
They should help you out, yeah?
No, I need them sharp.
This is the moment you've been waiting for, Brandon.
I hate this thing.
I know. Well, it's supposed to protect your neck, dude.
I know what it does. This thing is annoying.
Guys.
It's really bender.
Last time I played goalie was probably 2+ years ago when I was in Minnesota. Didn't stretch, barely any. I'll be lucky if my groin doesn't hurt.
Fuck, that's a foul. My fault, Brandon. We got the back door.
Just over halfway through the first, and I still haven't had any saves yet. They've all had one shot, one goal, courtesy of Jet not lifting the stick on the back door. So that's how it's going so far.
Yeah. Yeah, we switched out.
I was gonna say, oh, Jet's playing. And I was like, wait, that's not Jet. Jet's in the bench.
This is our first time switching in a long time.
the fuck does that go right up like that?
I don't know, Brandon. You tell me.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I almost had it too, man. Jesus, Rusty. Oh my God, how come I'm... It's not me, bro.
I know, but they're backdoor packed.
I know, that's Rusty's guy, dude.
Every goal is a fucking backdoor.
I'm trying to get the back door, man. Brendan, do the 2-pack stack, come on.
Dude, I'm telling you, sliding in these things, you have no edge.
I think we're all good.
None.
There's swimming in there, man.
I'm telling you, I have no edge. I don't know how the fuck he plays in these. You know when you
There's
step
this
on
one
the
thing
gas
called
your
skill,
arm?
that's how you
That's
play.
legit how these fucking feel. So after one, we're down 3-2.
Attaboy, Brandon.
Off my mask straight to his fucking stick.
Do you mind?
Dude, come on, I can't control that.
Dude, it's not like I'm not trying, dude.
Go, we're back to -3.
Thanks. Can you pass me the Canucks rack? Thanks.
It's hilarious. I literally can't push off.
I know.
That one's on me.
I know it was on you. That is attaboy, Rusty. There you go.
I swear I was rushing to the fucking blue line.
I know, good job, man.
I put them on so tight.
Yeah,
Well, no, dude, they're
so loose.
No, they're tight down here.
No, but whenever I
everything up here is
stand up,
loose.
they bend forward like that too. Like it does not. They're not. It does not happen on goalies, but it always happened to me too. Like I was like, dude, this feels right, and they're literally like bent forward.
Yeah.
Hey,
Dude,
angle your rebounds down.
If it was any more loose with how I'm playing, I guarantee you my
Happen right now.
last period, tie game. I gotta make sure none go in. Every 5 seconds, I have like sweat that drops into my eye, and it burns like a motherfucker. If it's any consolation, I think I'm like 3 for 3 on breakaways right now.
Yeah, I just need
Dude, that's a good shot.
Sick man.
It's like, what?
Game boys.
I don't make like the ridiculous breakaway saves, but like,
Game boys. Game guys. Game boys. Game guys. Game boys. Game guys. I know. Game boys. Game guys.
the whole time.
Yeah, it was.